Hey guys, here we at it again. So I'm just gonna take a little stroll. I don't know how long I'm gonna be walking for, but here we are again. It's beautiful. It's not raining today. Thank goodness. We have a little breeze, I think. If you guys enjoy this video, and you guys get to go outside. So beautiful. Why be home where you can be out there enjoying our beautiful nature? Just get some fresh air. You're always so busy doing things, busy working and taking care of somebody. And we forget to take care of ourselves. And, you know, here we are. Gonna get a little closer. You just gotta learn to do things on your own and always be expecting people to go places with you. Mm-hmm. So, too bad I couldn't get in. Well, I will get in that water, but yeah. Anyway, stay tuned, guys.